chapstick is making your lips worse and no one's telling you why. If your lips keep drying out, cracking, or flaking, no matter what you use, sis, you've been sold a lie. This is Soulful Sunday with AJ's EO Infusions, where beauty begins with intention and healing begins with ritual. Subscribe now and turn on notifications to glow with purpose. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not intended to diagnose or treat any medical condition. Please consult your healthcare provider before beginning any new wellness product or routine. Hey, beautiful soul. It's Jenice, and I want to tell you something I wish someone had told me sooner. If you've ever felt frustrated with your lips, always dry, always needing another swipe of balm, you're not alone. I used to think I was just unlucky or maybe not drinking enough water. But the truth is, there's a reason so many of us are stuck in this endless cycle. Most lip care routines are broken. They promise soft, hydrated lips, but rarely deliver lasting results. Instead, we end up feeling let down, wondering what we're doing wrong. We reapply and reapply, but we're treating symptoms, not the root. It's like putting a bandage on a problem that needs real healing from within. The truth? Most chapsticks just coat your lips. They don't heal them. They create a temporary barrier, but underneath your lips are still craving real nourishment. And the cycle keeps going. You reach for your balm again and again, hoping this time it'll be different, but it never is. You apply, you feel relief, then you're dry again in an hour. It's exhausting, and honestly, it's not your fault. That's not care, that's convenience, and you deserve so much more than a quick fix that fades away. At AJ's EO Infusions, we don't do surface level. We do soul level. Our approach is about deep nourishment, using nature's purest ingredients to truly restore and protect. And your lips, they deserve more than quick fixes. They deserve real lasting care because you're worth it every single day. Our lip butter scrub isn't just a product. It's a ritual. It's a moment you carve out for yourself, a gentle pause in the rush of daily life. With every use, you're not just caring for your lips, you're nurturing your whole self. And I don't mean that in a trendy way. This is about real, intentional self-care, something deeper than a fleeting beauty routine. I mean real, rhythmic care. The kind that grounds you, that brings you back to yourself with every soothing motion, something that trains your body to heal, to slow down, and to remember what it feels like to be truly cared for. Something that says to your nervous system, you're safe now, you can soften, you can let go of tension and simply be. We crafted this scrub with lavender to calm, peppermint to awaken, and frankincense to restore, each ingredient chosen for its unique ability to support your well-being, because when you combine these oils in the right blend, you create more than just a beauty product. You create a sensory experience. You don't just get hydration, you get transformation. Your lips become softer, your mind clearer, and your spirit a little lighter, one ritual at a time. Here's what I want you to try, something simple but truly transformative for your lips. Tonight, before you slip under the covers, take a moment to gently glide your favorite nourishing lip balm across your lips. Don't rinse, don't wipe, just let it be. Allow yourself to simply rest knowing your lips are being cared for as you sleep. While you drift off, those natural oils like lavender, peppermint, and frankincense work quietly through the night, soothing any irritation, calming inflammation, and deeply locking in moisture. By morning, you'll wake up to lips that feel soft, smooth, and truly loved, ready to take on a new day with confidence. You wouldn't skip your face wash at night, right? It's a ritual you trust to keep your skin healthy and glowing. So why do we so often forget about our lips, the part of us that smiles, speaks, and expresses our emotions every single day? Our lips help us connect, share laughter, and communicate with the world. Let's give them the nightly care they deserve. Let's shift from reactivity to ritual, because beauty that lasts, it's never rushed. It's always rooted. If you're ready to stop chasing hydration and start anchoring glow, start your ritual today. Visit AJ's EO Infusions and grab your scrub. Layer, infuse, pamper. That's the ritual. That's the glow. You've just watched Soulful Sunday with Jenice Story of AJ's EO Infusions. Like, subscribe, and share this moment of care with someone you love. Your glow is your gift.